We are here at 4341 West 132nd Street. I want to give you a view of the neighborhood. All right, I'll give you a view of this roof. It's in fair shape. All right, I'm going to take you to the backyard of the house. Here's a rear view of the house. All right, we are headed to the backyard. Let me give you a view on the porch as well. There will need to be some tuck pointing along the foundation. We're greeted with this huge, spacious backyard. Right, here's a back view of the exterior and a view of the roof. A little minor tuck pointing on that chimney there. Property does have central air. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time. We are here at 4341 West 132nd Street. Just want to give you a view of the living room. Very spacious, high ceilings. As you can see, it has ceiling fans throughout. We are in the dining room. Beautiful layout. Right, and we are headed to the basement. All right, kitchen here. I'm gonna give you a 360 of the kitchen. Okay. All right, we are going to the basement. All right. We have block foundation in the basement here. The walls look really good. All right. We have a newly installed hot water tank. All right. I want to give you a view of the bones of the house. The beam looks very good, still in good shape. This is like the laundry room here. Washer and dryer hookup. And we have the electrical box here. We have Romex wiring. All right, then we have the furnace. All right. There's also another room down here that has a full, well, a half bathroom. There's a toilet and a vanity as well. Give you a view of the ceiling. More glass block windows. All right. We are headed to the second floor of the house. All right, we are headed to the second floor. Right. There is carpet throughout the second floor. We have a full bathroom here. It's giving pink vibes. It's in good condition. The ceiling looks good. Right. All right, this is a stand-in shower with a tub. All right. We're going to head to the first bedroom to our left here. Does have closet space as well. Ceiling fans, carpet throughout. This is the main bedroom. Very spacious. All right, then we have the third bedroom here. Now we're on our way to the attic. More carpet throughout. Okay. All right. As you can see, very spacious attic. It is a finished attic. And that is all I have for you guys today. Until next time, peace.